Welcome back to another episode of Bass Bros, and today we're out here on this beautiful winter day doing some camping, doing some fishing, and just enjoying everything this winter wonderland has to offer. It's about 20 degrees right now, but we're just hiking into camp, and then we're gonna set up our shelter and get lots of firewood for the night. Made it down here to the river, not too much further to go until we get to our spot. At the spot I want to call camp for the night. It's right next to the river down there. The breeze is coming from this way, so I'm thinking about setting my tarp up facing this way so it blocks sort of the wind. And there looks like two good trees here to put up a taut line, so we're gonna go with that. Got the tarp shelter all up there. So you got to clear out the rest of the snow underneath it and then get lots of firewood for the night. Just gonna be searching through the woods here for some standing dead hardwood preferably, but if all we can find is softwood, that'll work too. But hopefully we can find some good wood to burn. There seems to be plenty of hardwood around. We just gotta find the right one to take. Found a prime target right here. Shedding layers quick here. Get warm very quick when you're getting wood. And it is important to shed your layers so you don't sweat, because if you sweat and you get your clothes wet, it freezes. So don't do that. Anyways, we're gonna need at least a few more trees to get me through the night. Got quite a pile of wood here. It's time to get the fire started, as the temperatures are gonna drop really quickly as soon as the sun goes down. But I think we should have plenty of wood for the night. Well, I just got a little bit of wood process here to kind of get the base of the fire going, but once this thing's rick-rolling, then we're just gonna grab the logs and just lay it on top of the fire, and then just keep on sliding it in throughout the rest of the night to keep it going. But we're looking pretty good. I'm getting hungry though. For dinner, got some potatoes and a nice ribeye. Thought I'd kick off the winter camps here by treating myself. I cannot wait to eat that. Sounds so good right now. But this tarp actually does like an amazing job of keeping the heat in. It is probably at least 15 to 20 degrees warmer in here than it is out there. The Montreal steak. It's about to taste so good. A little overcooked for my liking, but what are you gonna do? Oh my gosh, yeah. Yep. I'm so getting mauled tonight. Get some of this potato action. That is hot, but they're tasty. This is a camp meal if I've ever had one. Nothing quite beats hot chocolate on a nice cold winter day. It's approximately about like 13 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not supposed to get too much colder tonight. I think the low is like 11, so not too bad. It's really warm in here. Like, I keep having to scoot back a little bit because this fire's getting so hot. That's exactly what you want in the winter. And I'm gonna show you guys out of this tent. It's a full moon tonight. And that thing is just beaming in the sky. Once it gets a little bit later and it's right above me, I'm sure it's gonna look like daylight in this forest. So since it's the full moon, does that mean I'm gonna turn into a werewolf tonight? It's just actually crazy how bright the full moons are. It's like the entire forest is lit up. I can see perfectly clear. Well, just threw a few big logs on the fire. Got it all nice and stoked up. Getting tucked away in the sleeping bag now. Catch you guys in the morning, unless a werewolf comes out tonight, I guess. Good morning, everybody. Got the fire back up and going. I slept actually really well. It's 13 degrees right now, but the fire feels good. It was pretty dead in the morning, but I got it back up as quickly as possible. And now I'm starting to defrost a little bit. Some eggs, bacon, and coffee for breakfast. I gotta sit outside the shelter now since the wind did a little switch up on me. It's like a smoke show in there. The egg is practically deep fried in the bacon grease, so let's give it a try. The flavor on that, greasy. But I'm just gonna finish eating this up, tear down the rest of camp, hike back to the car, drop all the camping stuff off, grab the fishing stuff, and come back down here and try to at least catch a trout. Made it out to the river, just have this tiny little grub on the Ned rig head. And we're just gonna slowly let it bounce off the bottom. Just have to fish super slow in these conditions. Well, as I expected, I caught no fish, but I hope you guys enjoyed that little winter camp right there. Many more to come. This should be a very cold and snowy winter, supposedly. It's already starting off to be that way, so stay tuned for ice fishing, winter camping, and all that fun stuff. But if you did enjoy this one, be sure to leave a fat thumbs up. And as always, folks, fish with passion.
Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. I wanna know.